Sharp Microwave Drawer SMD247OAS. I installed this microwave about 1 month ago and it worked fine. Now all of a sudden the drawer will not stay closed. When I hit the close button, the drawer closes but automatically reopens. Thanks for the help, Bob.
Welcome and thank you for your question. I will be the professional that will be assisting you. Hi, I seen this a couple weeks ago. I tried everything to fix it. Adjusted/replace limit switch, replaced the bracket because it was slightly bent. Took several trips out and several calls to the factory to fix it. They had me put some thicker grease on the tracks on the bottom of the drawer. It slows the tracks down so the door does not bounce off the frame basically. Try that, it should work. I know it's worked for me and several other technicians. Let me know. We work on the honor system here at JustAnswers. We're not credited for our work until you rate our answers positively. After you rate our answers positively, the question does not close. You can come back and ask follow-up questions for no additional charge. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.